Hello Don, this is Raphael at Parkway Mazda Kia. I want to introduce you to the 2016 Kia Sorento. One of my favorite features is the dual zone air conditioning, which is a very simple feature to use. Right underneath the radio, you have your AC controls. As you can see, there are two dials here. $1 for the driver, and $1 for the passenger. All you would simply do is turn the air conditioning on here, and as you can see, I raise my temperature, lower my temperature, or raise my temperature without affecting the passenger. The passenger can also raise or lower their temperature without affecting the driver. However, if it's you by yourself, or if both you and the passenger are comfortable at a certain temperature, you can put your temperature where you like it. Put your temperature where you like it, and sync them, and now your temperatures are both going to be raised and lowered by one dial. Now, however, if the passenger touches their dial, it turns off the sync and they're able to do it on their own. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact me. Have a fantastic day.